It look like it's getting transparency, y'all. I can't see. Hey y'all, I'm back again. Y'all know how it is. I do a few videos at a time, then go MIA. I'm sorry y'all, but I'm trying. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and go follow me on Instagram at its.brigee. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. It's been so long since I recorded, y'all, but I'm gonna stick to it. So this is gonna be a quick little tutorial. As y'all see, I don't have no nails, I don't have no eyelashes. I look crazy. I feel crazy. It's been a while. And y'all know I was working with the lash extensions and the nails, and now I don't have either. But bam. Y'all see this? Can y'all see this? So I got these lashes off of Amazon. My mom has been using them for a while. And so they're like lash extensions, but the ones you do at home. So these are called extension DIY eyelash extensions. And this is how it looks when you open it. Right here, these are the instructions. And then these are the lashes. Oops. And this came with it as well. So I'll add this to my Amazon storefront, so if y'all want to check it out, y'all can. So it comes with 14 and 16 millimeter lashes, or no, 12 and 14. I want 16. These are kind of short for me, but we're gonna try them out. This is the only size that comes with the starter kit, I think. But it comes with this little pen looking thing. You pull it out and it's the spoolie, and then you flip it around. You got like a little spoolie. And then you have like the applicator right here. Take that off. It's like that. And then of course you have the lashes. I think this is the 12, and then that's the 14. And then you have the lash adhesive, right? So this is my first time doing it. So in the instructions it says make sure your lashes are clean. So I just cleaned my face. It says clean the eye area before applying for the best results. In order to achieve a good curl effect, squeeze your natural eyelashes with the eyelash curler gently and hold for several seconds. I don't need that. Lightly apply white mini glue with nib tip brush under your eyelashes about 2 millimeters in width. Wait 20 seconds for it to dry and become transparent. Note, only a small amount is needed. 3, open the cover, pick up the magic lashes with the curved tweezers and select the length that you desire. Put the magic lashes gently underneath your natural eyelash, one by one from outer corner of the eye to inner corner. Use the spiral eyelash brush to gently brush the lashes to make them merge with your own lashes. And 6, it looks more natural and charming. Wow. Any newbie can be good at it. So let's see if I'm good at it, y'all, because I'm a newbie. Let's see. So like I said, my lashes are pretty clean. So these are my lashes, y'all. Like, y'all know my lashes are like this long. But I don't really have lashes. I was like, I need something on it. And my lashes, like, if you ever had lash extensions for a long time, your lashes end up like being straight. My lashes are really curly, but they're really straight because it hasn't even been a week since I got my lashes off. So they'll eventually probably curl back. But I gave them a little break, a few days. So this is the lash extension glue. Ooh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lashes ready. So I know they said from outer corner to inner corner. So I'm definitely gonna put the 14 millimeters on the out, and then the 12 on the inside. Let's see. And I also have this to kind of help dry them. My mom let me borrow it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my 14 ones out. This is them right here. 14. And I just want to see how easy they are to come off. So when you pull them off, focus, like that. Easy, just like that. All right. So let's go ahead and put this on. The bottom is white. I can see. It's like white. Like that. So let's see. I'm doing this all on the camera, y'all. I don't have no mirror. It said 2 millimeters, but I think my lashes are about 2. Let me look in the mirror right quick, y'all. It said a lot not needed, but I think I put on a lot. So this is how it is. It's just like a little thing, you know, like the little thing you use to get the snot out the baby nose. It's like that. I think it said till it dries clear. Let's see. Transparent, okay. Probably put too much on there, y'all. Kind of sticking to my bottom lash, that's why I'm pulling this down, but don't pull too hard because that is thinner skin. Don't want to look older than what I already am. Okay. I'm rushing, so I might go ahead and just put them on like this. And I do have on contacts, y'all, so if you're nervous about it, it's not burning my eye or anything. Okay, I'm rushing, y'all. I might just go ahead and put these on. So, these are the instructions. I didn't even show y'all. These are the instructions. So, I got the lash. So this is the 14. So I'm gonna hold it, I guess like this with the, well, I don't know. This is like the bent end right here. It's like a little bend. So that's facing forward. So the bend, and I'll turn them this way. And then I'll put my lashes right here. There's actually some adhesive on the lashes, which sucks. The adhesive that was in there to help it stick to the carton is like on here. I don't like that. Anyway. Let me put on this one and then I'll come back and try to do the other one on the camera. Y'all, these are so short. That was really easy to put on though. Look how short that is. But they longer than mine, huh? So let's do the other one. So that was really easy to put on. So I'm gonna pull this one off. Again, I do not like it that it's adhesive on here. But you can kind of roll it off. Okay. And then make sure your tool is free of adhesive, because it'll get stuck to the lash and I don't want to pull off y'all's lashes. So again, the curve is in the front, the concave part. I'm gonna go as close to the end as I can with holding the lash. I don't know if I can see that. This is the part that's this is the base, and then that's the end. And I'm just gonna this is hard to do on camera because it keeps blurring. But you literally like put it right under there and then it sticks. Sorry y'all, this is hard to do on camera. I'm actually really impressed with this. Yes, I got a little mirror, so I'm gonna try to do it on the camera. Y'all see I moved, so it's a little different. I'll tell you about that later. I think I'm gonna do like 3 of the 14. I might. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 of the 14s. So yeah, I got the lash. And so I'm gonna go like right under. Can y'all see that? And it just sticks. And then I kind of get this. And just squeeze it on there. Oh, that's what I'm saying, it's stuck. But it don't come off. Oh, y'all see that? I'm gonna do another 14. That was 3. I'm gonna do 4 and then maybe the 12. I'm gonna try one more time to show y'all. So we want to put it right next to the other one. I'm probably gonna squeeze with my hand. They're not perfect now, y'all. Like, I might have put that one on too long. Like, you see them under there? Yeah, I think I didn't. I didn't put that one close enough to my lash line like the rest of them. Whoops. Okay, now I put like. Now I'm gonna do the 12. Okay, so that one did not stick. I don't really have a lot of lashes right here. Ooh, this is not sticking. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I'm gonna finish, and I'm gonna do that one, and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. I feel like cockeyed a little. I don't know what's going on, but this is definitely gonna take more practice. It didn't take that long, maybe like less than 15 minutes to do. But when I get faster, I know I'll be able to do it maybe in less than 10. Like, so it's really just the glue. Like, make sure it's dry. I feel like when it's transparent, it's not tacky, so it doesn't stick and it kind of slide off. So make sure it's completely dry. Get you something like this or one of those fans to just kind of blow them after you're done. And then I just kind of took my finger and squeezed them together. And then I guess you could take the little pin that comes with it, flip it around, a little spoolie, and then just like kind of, ooh, I'm scared, but ooh, I don't want them to come off. But like, blend them with your lashes, I guess, after a while. I also feel like I shouldn't have put the glue all the way up my lashes. I probably should have just put it at the base. Because I can't even brush these because it's so hard. But I'm about to put on my makeup and I'll show y'all the finished look. But this is like a close-up. So like you're going to see them at the bottom. Right? So what y'all think? I could have probably did a better job. I did do the 14s and then 12s in the middle. What y'all think? We'll see with the makeup and how it look with the makeup on. I'll be back. Hey y'all, so this is the finished look. What y'all think? Y'all think? Of course, I have to go to Instagram to see the whole fit, but this is really just about my lashes. So this is how it looks with my makeup on. I think I did an okay job. So while I was putting on my makeup, my eyebrows look crazy, don't they? Just covered it up. Anyway, as I was putting on my makeup, I realized that maybe I put one of the lashes a little too close to my eyeball, so it kind of scrapes it a little bit. And I can't just take it off But I mean, we could do a little pull test. They on there, y'all. What y'all think? This is a little close up. I feel like, which eye y'all think I did better? I think I did this one a little better, but this was the eye that I put on too close to my lid. So it's kind of irritating my lid a little bit. So I'm hoping when it grows out, maybe it'll do so. I don't know. I'll keep y'all posted. But this is the first eye I did. And again, that's how it looks at the bottom. I didn't really do it evenly. Okay, y'all see that? And then under here. And look, I got a little glue or something down there. But overall, I'm really impressed with how they came out. I feel really cute. Yeah. I put on makeup the other night and I had no lashes. And I just felt crazy. So now I don't feel the need to have to put on makeup as much because now I have lashes. So again, this is the EASITENSION. I don't know, y'all can read it. DIY eyelash extensions. Amazon, I think they were less than 30, maybe less than 20, I can't remember. But again, they'll be on I'll put them on my Amazon storefront, link in the bio. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Let me know what y'all think about the lashes. Give me y'all honest opinion. Let me know if y'all have ever tried it or some other alternatives to doing your own lashes at home that are cheaper, because I can't afford to get lash extensions at this moment in time right now. So yes, balling on the budget, baby. See y'all later. Thank y'all. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'm put on my little sensual voice. Here's a close-up of my lashes, y'all. What y'all think about it? Had to put on this music with these because it's up close and personal. Make sure y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all think about these lashes. Have y'all tried these lashes? Do y'all have a better alternative? Or do y'all just like going to the shop and laying down, taking a little nap and getting your lashes put on? You know what I'm saying? Let me know down below. But thank y'all so much. I'm very grateful for y'all. Thanks for being patient. And oh my gosh, girl. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace.